Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well in your field. Welcome to my English practice session on Fluent Englify. Today in this video I will show you how to describe complete detail of our activities we do in our daily life. So in this video I will describe complete this detail of brushing teeth. So if you wanna describe like me, so watch till the end and enjoy this session. After finishing this session you can repeat like me and express your activities according to you. So let's start the session. I walked to the bathroom. The floor was quite cold in my field. First I walked close to the bathroom and the door was locked, so first I unlock and push the door to the forward and open it. After that, as I opened the door, the air inside the room was quite chill because of as I opened the door, the air inside the room touches to my skin or face as well as my whole body. After that I look around in the room. I see there is quite darkness in the room. So first I step into the bathroom. The tiles are cold beneath my feet and sending a small shiver to my legs, so I go to the switchboard, pressing button down to light on the bulb. After that the bulb flicked for a moment before fully glowing. After that I walk to the shelf and I reach my hand for the toothbrush. I pick up the brush. After picking up the brush I look it carefully after holding in my hand, and I notice it is quite split soft at the edge because of repeated use, and notice the yellow brush some are straight or some are bent at the edge. After that and after holding it, so I hold in my and after that I hold it in my left hand, and I also reach my right hand for the toothpaste tube, which also feel it cool in my hand. So I put the brush aside and I hold the toothpaste tube in my both hand, left in my bottom, left hand in the bottom and right hand to the top. After that I slightly twist off the cap of tube to open it, and I feel grooves of plastic cap in my hand. After open the cap, the smell of minty freshness of paste escapes from it. So I look it also carefully. I also look it carefully and notice it is slightly bent from the middle because of repeated uses. After that I also pressing from the bottom to tube to bring out desired amount of paste. I press the tube from bottom and apply little pressure to bring out the pieces amount of paste. As a amount of paste bring out from it, I start applying it on the brush and making sure it sits neatly on the brush, not falling off, but some drop because of humidity in the air. After that, I close the toothpaste tube and put back on their place, and I hold and then holding the brush I walk to the sink and I hold the handle of taps and slightly twist to open the tap. As I open the tap, the cold stream of water flowing down into the sink. So in this flowing water, I passed under it and wet the paste just enough to waste the paste, not wash it away. After wetting the paste, I close the tap and I start bring the brush close to my mouth, and slowly I open my mouth. I touch the brush against my upper front teeth. As I touch the brush, I feel tingling in my teeth, and the freshness of minty paste, spread in my mouth. I start brushing from my upper front teeth and following the circular motion, ups and downs, then lefts and rights. The foam began to form at the corner of lips, and the minty freshness of paste spread across my mouth. After that, I shift the brush to my side teeth. First, I brush my left side of teeth and then right side of teeth, following the motion left and right. I scrub all the teeth one by one and making sure no food left between the teeth and ensuring no plaque remains. The foam began to form along with my cheek. So now carefully I reach to the molar teeth at the back of my mouth, following the motion back and forth. These are the teeth because of these are larger and harder. This is the reason these are difficult to clean. So first, these are difficult to clean and take extra time to clean them. So first I start the brush each surface of teeth one by one carefully, and making sure no food left on the surface of each teeth. And doing this, a lot of foam began to form along with my cheek. So I repeat So I spit it out into the sink. I repeat this to I repeat uh, this brushing action 1 2 3 time, and I also repeat spit out the palm two 2 3 time 2 2 3 time. After that, first I rinse my mouth, then then tongue scraper I take a tongue scrubber. It is U-shaped, and in the middle it is flatter. So I take my both hand and move it back and forth. Each moves scrapes the white coating of one- each moves each moves removes the white each room each moves remove the white coating from the surface of tongue. After repeat 1 2 3 times this action, I feel no white coating left on the surface of tongue. So I decided, so I rinse both tongue scraper and brush. After washing them, put them back on its place, and my mouth feel fresh and alive. Put them back. After that, I rinse my mouth once again and to repeat this three uh, two, three. I repeat this 3 to 4 times until my mouth feel fresh and alive. After that, my mouth feel fresh, and the sudden freshness of minty paste lingers through my breath. I wipe my mouth one last time, and then I am ready for the another action. So if you like this sessions, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for another session, for another update.